Good morning and welcome, my dear students. Yesterday we learned capital alphabets A to Z cursive letters. Today we are going to learn A to Z small alphabets in cursive. There are 26 small alphabets in cursive. Together we can use capital and small alphabets to make new words and sentence. Let's read the alphabets one by one. A to Z, small letters, cursive. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Let's learn to write A to Z small alphabets in cursive. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now, we will make new words from these small letters. For example, first letter is, and the first word is B-A-L-L, ball. Let B A double L ball. Let's write B A double L ball. B A double L ball. And the second word is dog. D O G dog. D O G dog. D O G dog. And the third word is jump. J U M P jump. J U M P jump. J U M P jump. This way we have done the new words. So we can also make the sentences which are very small. For example, I am a boy. I am a boy. This is a small sentences. By this way, we can make new words and small sentences from small and big letters also.
My dear students, let's learn and make 3-letter words. A for ant. A for arm. B for bag. B for bat. C for cap. C for car. D for dog. D for dot. E for ear. E for egg. F for fox. F for far. G for gym. G for gem. H for hat. H for hug. I for ice. I for in. J for jam. J for jug. K for key. K for kit. L for lab. L for leg. M for man. M for mug. N for net. N for nil. O for oil. O for one. P for pie. P for pig. Q. R for rat. R for run. S for sun. S for sun. T for tea. T for toy. U for urn. U for use. V for van. V for veg. W for web. W for wet. X. Y for yak. Y for yes. Z for zip. Z for zoo.
So, let us practice how to write small letters in cursive. Student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.